A state or federal tax lien is often the first action in the collections process for any government agency. Once the IRS or state revenue department has filed a tax lien, it won't be too long before the harassing phone calls and visits to your business location begin. These are invariably followed up with aggressive collections actions such as wage garnishments, bank account levies, and collections contacts to your customers and suppliers. Perhaps you have already had the painful, embarrassing experience of a revenue officer visiting you at work. Or maybe you've had your bank accounts wiped out by the tax man or had your customer relationships impacted by nasty letters from the revenue agent. If so, you should know that you don't have to take it anymore. You have rights as a taxpayer, and there are things you can do to stop the harassment and stop the aggressive collections actions being taken by the government. You may think that you only have two options, which are to either pay the tax liability in full or do nothing. If you are like a lot of people, you may not have the free cash sitting around to pay your tax liability in full. On the other hand, most people understand that doing nothing will not make a tax problem go away. Today, I would like to introduce you to another option. My name is Mike Ornelas, and my company, Sacramento Tax Resolution, has helped hundreds of taxpayers just like you resolve their tax liabilities quickly and efficiently. We are professional tax resolution experts. It's what we do, and it's the only thing we do. We don't prepare financial statements. We are not an accounting firm. We are a specialty tax resolution services firm that handles only state and IRS collections cases. Here's what's in it for you. You can stop harassing collections calls, have bank account levies released, stop wage garnishments, have penalties reduced or removed entirely, enter affordable repayment programs with terms that fit your budget, and if you qualify, you can even settle your tax debt for far less than what you owe. Does this sound good to you? Here's a recent settlement. Randall owed the IRS $186,200. We settled for $1,200. I encourage you to call us at 916-509-3553 to schedule your free tax debt strategy session right now. Normally $175, this strategy session is yours free as my gift to you for taking the time to watch this video. When you use professional tax relief representation to resolve your tax problem, a lot of worry and hassle on your part goes out the window. We will handle all communications with your revenue officer, reducing stress and letting you focus on the things that are most important to you. We can obtain the debt relief you need from being out from under your tax liability. With professional taxpayer representation, you can do what you do best, which is running your business and leave the tax problem to us. Another recent settlement, Michael owed the IRS $437,500. We settled for $2,500. Call us at 916-509-3553 to schedule your free tax debt strategy session right now. You'll be able to sleep at night knowing that your bank account won't get drained overnight by a levy. With us on your side, you'll have knowledgeable, experienced, hardball negotiators that fully understand the ins and outs of tax collections fighting for you. You won't have to worry about trucks showing up to seize your assets. You'll have dedicated financial professionals representing your best interests, not the government's. Our tax representatives will ensure that you don't have to pay one penny more than you should. With our services, there are no surprises and everything is explained in clear, concise, and easily understood terms. No matter what your reason for owing back taxes, we offer an excellent solution to numerous situations. Perhaps you're being impacted by the economy. Maybe an employee embezzled funds from the company. Perhaps a natural disaster caused your business to shut down and lose money. Maybe you recently lost a major customer. Perhaps an illness, death, divorce, or other significant life event led to your tax issues. Were you audited and couldn't pay the resulting tax bill? Another recent settlement, Trevor owed the IRS $103,200. We settled for $3,083. Call us today at 916-509-3553. Don't wait. Call 916-509-3553 for your free tax debt strategy session. Do you have skyrocketing penalties, active wage garnishments, trust fund recovery penalty investigations, levies taking money from bank accounts, volumes of letters from the IRS, incessant harassing phone calls, unannounced visits to your home or business, threats of seizure? We help people from all walks of life in all types of tax situations. We help small businesses in all 50 states with all kinds of tax problems, in all kinds of financial conditions that owe everywhere from $10,000 all the way up to $25 million. We firmly believe that everybody deserves to put their tax problems behind them and to move on with their lives. Another recent settlement, Phil owed the IRS $52,100. We settled for $2,950. Call us today at 916-509-3553. Don't wait. Call 916-509-3553 for your free tax debt strategy session. If you're serious about resolving your tax liability, then we're serious about making that happen for you. You might be thinking that all of this sounds too good to be true, but I promise you that it's not. We can stop bank levies, lift wage garnishments, set up affordable monthly payments, get you into uncollectible status, and even settle your tax debt for much less than you owe if you qualify. Another recent settlement, Dale and Judy owed the IRS $37,500. We settled for $12,001. Call us today at 916-509-3553. Don't wait. Take the first step toward resolving your tax problem today. Beware of telemarketers calling you and telling you that you instantly qualify for a pennies on the dollar settlement or a massive penalty and interest abatement. In all honesty, nobody can tell you exactly what resolution strategy best suits your needs until we get all the information together and thoroughly research your tax situation. So the next step is for you to schedule your tax debt settlement strategy session, normally $175, but yours at no charge, since you've clearly demonstrated your desire to put your situation behind you by taking the time to watch this video. Based on information you provide, you will be provided a written action plan for resolving your tax liability. There is no risk to you, and there is absolutely no obligation to IRS to represent you. Another recent settlement, Steve and Kathy owed the IRS $49,900. We settled for $48. Call 916-509-3553 right now to schedule your tax debt settlement strategy session. This is Mike Ornelas, and I look forward to resolving your tax problem.